in this tutorial, in this first lab. So in this tutorial, we will show you how to install the OU build, okay? OU build program, okay? So this is some guidelines to install the OU build. Okay, so the OU build, in fact, the OU build is a software that has been developed by the Open University based on the open source version of Scratch 2.0. Okay. So you need in the first install the Adobe Air. Okay. After that, we will install the OU build. This is the installation of the OU build Adobe Air. Okay, you can find this one. This is the package, the installer package. Just next, double click and next on this, and after that you need to click on the open the OU build software. Click right. A pop-up windows will appear, and you will be prompt to see the OU build. Okay. And after that, you need to install the application. So this is the application installation, and after that, you will get the OU build. Okay. All these documents are you can find all these documents in the LMS, and you have some videos how to use that. Okay, how to install, how to use the OU build. So this is the OU build program software. Okay, so this part is called, here we will write, or we will compose the script. Okay, the script is in fact a sequence of blocks. Okay, so for example, we can begin by when the green flag clicked. Okay, I can repeat, for example, 10 times, for example, say hello, for example. Okay, so this is a simple script. Okay, so this part is dedicated to this script. Okay, and all these scripts are blocks, so we can drag and drop the blocks to the script area till you form your complete script. Okay,
Doctor, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
The LMS not working.
Yeah, you know, but it will work, inshallah. It will work. So
I tried to install this this application, but
yeah,
the LMS not working.
this is your page in the LMS. Once the platform, this platform is ready, all you need, you can find these all the documents, the tutorials, the practices in this is your page. Okay, so you will find here the tutor names with their links. You will find but this is all this hidden from the students. Okay, so this is what is shown to you. Maybe we'll show to you. Sorry. Okay, so you can see this is your page, switch role to student. Okay, this is your page, okay? Here you have some Tm111 meeting recordings from other, for example, lectures, okay? And you have the slides here. This is the slides, okay? The topics, Tm11 topics, selection, loops, etc. Okay, and you can visit the CLMS. You see the CLMS, it is centralized. Okay, course contents in the CLMS. You can see all about the, for example, the course. Okay, here you have the ebook. In the ebook, you have several exercises. In the PDF, for example, here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, you have some tutorials here, how to install. Here you have Tm111 course meetings, PPT and PDF, the OU build installation, okay, the OU build software tutorials and installation guidelines, the OU build tutorials, all this you can find it, okay, at the CLMS. So this is the OU build. Here we have some costumes. This is the scripts, the costumes of the, for example, the oil. Okay, this costume. So you need to specify which costume you to use. There are some sounds. You can use the sounds. Okay, if there are some scripts when you need to use the sound. Okay, here they have the spirits. Okay, so you can duplicate. You can add more spirits. Okay. So you will have this one, okay? For example, with this script, this one with another script, okay? You can change here. Here you have the flag. If you need to use the flag, this to stop. You can stamp, okay? Duplicate the oil, okay? Two oils. You can cut, delete. You can shrink and grow. Okay, so this is it is a very simple program, but what we need to learn is how to think, how to build your ideas. Okay, so there are anyone who need to help? Okay, for who have some Mac, so you can use. There are an online version of OU build. You can use it.
Could you send us the link, Doctor, please?
What?
Could you send us the link, the online version of OU build?
Okay. I will send to you this link. Okay, do you have any question? Do you try to install this program or no? Are there anyone who try to install the OU build?
I looked it up in Google but didn't find it.
No, it is not in the Google. You can find it here in your this is the quick reference for you. So here you have the costumes, the sound. This is the palette of buttons. Okay, here to stop the program, to start a program. Full screen. This part is called the stage. Okay, this part is called it is destined to the script, to create scripts. And this part is where you can find the spirit. Okay, so you can move your spirit, okay, on the stage. Move on, move left, right, down, up. Okay, it is within the motion palette. You have the motion palette, you have the events palette, you have the control palette, the sensing, the operators. Okay, all these operators, you can find the operators if you need to add, to multiply, to subtract, to divide. Okay, to join, for example, two words, or one words and one variable. Okay, for the sensing here, if you need to change, for example, the color, to use the mouse, okay, to use the X and Y, the coordinates of the spirit. Here you have the motion, so you can move, you can turn around 15, for example, degrees, 30 degrees, 100 degrees, etc. Okay, you can change the X and the Y of it is the position of the oil, for example. Here for looks, you can say, you can switch the costume if you need, for example, to change the movement, okay, of the during movement of the spirit. This is the pen if you need to use the pen. This is the data if you need to declare some variable or list. Okay, so when you create a list, many blocks dedicated to lists, okay, will be shown, like add, for example, items to the list, delete items to the list, insert item to the list, replace item, the length of the item of the list, etc. Okay, for the variable, okay, you can use some variable X, Y, Z, and this variable you can set the variable to 0, change the variable, show the variable, hide the variable. Okay, so this is, as a program, the oil build is very simple, but you need to be careful in the implementation. Okay, to get the right answer, to get the efficient program. Okay, so is it clear right now?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, doctor.
That's clear.
Clear, but I have a problem in LMS. It's not working with me.
Yeah, no, it is not working with all of you. Only with me it is not working. It is not showing me, for example, here my courses. I don't have here my courses. I am BCC of the Tm111 only, but I have other courses that should be here shown. The LMS is under updates and maintenance, so it will work. It will work soon. Okay.
Okay, when I go to LMS to work.
This is the scratch. Okay, who didn't or who cannot install the OU build, you can work with this online. Okay, and you can save your work and send to your tutor, to as a TMA, to your whatever. Okay, to your friend to discuss with him. Okay, or her. So this is another version. You can. I will send you this. It is the same thing. Okay. Whenever you have any problems in the installation of the audio build, you can. Okay, you can have this. You can use this online version. Okay, it is the same thing. Motion, looks, sound, events, control. Okay, control. For example, here when the flag is the green flag is clicked. Okay, you can, for example, control or events. Control. You can repeat 10 times. For example, sorry. For example, turn. Okay, and I will. When it is clicked, it will turn. Okay. I can after that file save to your computer. Okay, and you will save that. Okay. So the difference between this one, it is the extension SB2. Okay. For the OU build, it is SB3 here. For the OU build, is SB2. Only that. Okay, but it works with you. Do you see that? SB2, the extension here, but there with the this version it will be SB3. Okay, but we can use it in your trials, in your practice. Okay, you can use it without installation, without anything. This is the spirit, this is the stage, and this is the script. Okay, the costumes, the sounds. Okay, you can use here, you can add. When you use, you can add any sprite you would like. Okay, the oil, the human. Okay. For example, this is another split. Okay, so for this split, I will control when, for example, it's not when I click, when space is pressed. Okay. For example, change or next costume. I don't know if there are next costume. That costumes. This costume. This one. Gift A, gift B. Okay. So code. Next costume. Okay. Do you see when I click on the space? So the spirit will change its costume, so it will change the color. Okay. But for this spirit, it will not do anything. Why? Because it is related to the flag, green flag. It is not related to the space. Okay. But if I use the same event, so both of these two spirit will move. Okay. Here. Do you see that? Because here the event is different. Is the same. Here the event is the same, so the two spirits will work. Okay, will work. But when we have different events, so we don't have the same. We will not work together. Okay. Okay, is it clear right now?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, Sorry, I have one meeting, important meeting. So if you don't have any question, you can leave and I can rejoin the meeting. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for your attendance and see you inshallah next week.